Welcome St. Joseph International School students. Hello Primary 4. Our lesson today is factors, prime numbers and composite numbers. First, you must know this definition well. Product is an answer to a multiplication problem. The answer of multiplication problem is called product. For example, if we have 7 times 8 equals 56, now we can say that 56 is called product. 56 is called product. This is the answer of the multiplication operation. Okay? Another definition. What is a factor? Factor is a number that is multiplied by another to give a product. If we have 7 times 8 equals 56, we said that 56 called product, and 7 and 8 are called factors. 7 and 8 are the factors of number 56. Okay? Factor also is a number that divides evenly into another number. If we have 56 divided 8 equals 7, I have here the divisor is called also, yes, it's called factor. And the answer here is called also factor because this is division operation. And 56 is the product. So we have here two factors which are 7 and 8. What are factors and product? Number 1. 6 and times 7 equals 42. Which number is a product and which number is factor? We said that the answer of multiplication problem is called product. 6 and 7 are called factors. So the factors here are 6 and 7, but the product is 42. Number 2. 63 divided 9 equals 7. The factors here are 9 and 7, but the product is 63. Number 3. 8 times 5 equals 40. The factors here are 8 and 5, but the product is 40. Now we want to learn how to find the factors of any number. For example, here, find the factors of 6. Now we must search for number 6 at all time tables. We start from 1 time table. 6 comes from 1 times 6. Okay. Table 2. Yes, we can find 6 from 2 times 3. Okay, like table 3, we can find 6 also from 3 times 2. But 3 times 2 is the same 2 times 3. So we will stop here and you will not complete. And the factors of 6 here is 1, 6, 2, and 3. And I prefer to arrange the factors ascending. So the factors will be 1, 2, 3, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 6. Take them in the shape of letter U like this, in the shape of letter U. Okay? The next one. Find the factors of 12. Also, we must search for number 12 at all time tables. Let's start with table 12. With table 1, sorry. Let's start with table 1. 12 comes from 1 times 12. Okay, after table 1, table 2. 12 equals 2 times 6. And then 3 times 4. After 3, 4. 4 times 3. And 4 times 3 is the same as 3 times 4. So we will stop here and you will not complete. So the answer for the factors will be, yes, takes the factors in the shape of letter U, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. They are the factors of number 12. Another problem. What do you note from the previous exercise? We note that 1 is a factor of all numbers. We can find all numbers at one time table. So 1 is considered factor of all numbers. So we can say that 1 is the common factor of all numbers. This question, okay, incomplete questions. We will ask you, dot is the common factor of all numbers. Yes, the answer will be 1. For example, here, find the factors of 18. We will write 18, start from table 1. 1 times 18, and then 2 times 9, and then 3 times 6. Okay, what about table 4? 18, no. There is no number multiplied by 4 give me 18. Table 5, no also. Yes, we can't find 18 at 5 time table. Table 6, yes, 6 times 3 is the same 3 times 6, so we will stop here, and the factors will be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. You note also here we have 1 as a factor, 1 here as a factor. So we said that 1 is a common factor of all numbers. Let's take another definition. We have some numbers are called prime number. What about prime number? Prime number is a number that has only 2 factors. For example, if I ask you about the factors of number 5, number 5 equals 1 times 5, only 1 times 5. You can't find number 5 at any timetable else. So 5 has only 2 factors, which are 1 and 5 itself. Another number, for example, if you want to find the factors of number 7, also 7 equal 1 times 7, and only 1 times 7. You can't find 7 at table 2 or 3 or 5 or 4 or 6. Okay, so 7 equal 1 times 7, and 7 times 1 only. So number 7 also has only 2 factors, which are 1 and 7 itself. So we will call this number prime number. So the prime number is a number that has only 2 factors, which are 1 and the number itself. Example of a prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. All these numbers come from 1 times the number itself. 2 equal 1 times 2, only 1 times 2. 3, only 1 times 3. 19, for example, yes, 19 equal 1 times 19, only 1 times 19. So 19 has only 2 factors, so it is called prime numbers. What about composite number? Composite number is the inverse of prime number. It's a number that has more than 2 factors, like 6, like 12, like 18. We said that this number has more than 2 factors, so they are called 2 factors. For example, number 8. Number 8 come from 1 times 8, 2 times 4, There is not 3 times any number, okay? And 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is the same 2 times 4, so we will stop, and the factors will be 1, 2, 4, and 8. And so number 8 has 4 factors. It has 4 factors. They are more than 2 factors, so this is a composite number. All of this number is a composite number. We can get 10, for example. 10 equal 1 times 10, 2 times 5. So I have 4 factors. 20, for example. 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. So we have 6 factors here. So they are called composite number. But we have here a special case, which is number 1. 1 is special because number 1 equal 1 times 1. So number 1 has only one factor. Only one factor, not 2 factor or more than 2 factor. So we can say that 1 is not prime number because it doesn't have exactly 2 different factors. And also is not composite because it doesn't have more than 2 factors. So we can say that 1 is a prime number. No, 1 is not a prime. This is the summary of our lesson. 1 is not a prime or composite number. And if you note that the 2 is the only even prime number. Yes, we note that all the prime number are odd numbers, like 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so on. All the prime number are odd number except 2. 2 is the only even prime number. And this is a very, very important question. 2 is the only even prime number. And you must know that not all odd numbers are prime. We have, for example, 9 and 15 and 21 and 27. They are odd number, but they are not prime number because we can find 15 from 1 times 15, 3 times 5. So this is not prime number. For example, 27. 27 is 1 times 27, 3 times 9. It has 4 factors. So not all odd numbers are prime numbers. The last point, all composite numbers can be written as a product of prime numbers. You will take it at primary 5. Thank you for your listening and goodbye.